Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Runway login issues in 2026. So if you're unable to sign in, stuck on the login screen, or receiving account access errors, here are some common solutions you can try. First, double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password associated with your Runway account. A small typing mistake can prevent you from logging in successfully. Next, if you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option and follow the instructions sent to your email. Yeah, this is often the fastest way to restore account access. You can also check whether Runway is experiencing maintenance, service interruptions, or authentication issues that may affect user logins. If you've recently changed your account information, wait a few minutes and then try signing in again to allow updates to synchronize across the platform. Finally, attempt to access your account once more and verify that your dashboard, projects, and AI tools load normally. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Runway login issues in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.